Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how can you fix your BLU M8L Plus tablet which won't turn on or which is not charging. Fix 1, you need to perform a soft reset. Hold down the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. Wait to see if the device restarts. Fix 2, check the charger and cable. Use a different charger and USB cable to test charging. Plug the charger into a different power outlet. Test the cable and charger with another device to confirm they work properly. Fix 3. Inspect the charging port. Look for dust or debris in the charging port. Use a soft brush or toothpick to gently clean the port. Check for bent or damaged pins inside the port. Fix 4. Force start the device. Hold down the power button and volume down button together for 10 to 20 seconds. Release the buttons and check if the device power on. Fix 5. Charge for an extended period. Connect the tablet to a charger. Leave it plugged in for 30 minutes to 1 hour as a deeply discharged battery, which may take time to respond. Fix 6. Test with safe mode or recovery mode. To enter safe mode, hold the power button until the blue logo appears. Release the power button and press the volume down button to boot into safe mode. To enter recovery mode, you need to turn off the tablet first, then hold down the power button and volume up button until the recovery menu appears. Use the menu to reboot the system. So thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.